Unicorn Bandit, but you can push the buttons. But this is the new Make That Cash Howling, seven Howling Wolves, or 7 Howling is something. But here we go. I'm on the nickel denom, which is $1.25. You need 5 balls. Now let's try to get a progressive. When you're playing a nickel or a dime, yes. Okay, 2 left. All right, you saw that 25 go by? Didn't do a thing, but let's add it up. I'm on the nickel denom. I'm certain this is barely money back.